Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Yema peanut butter. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 6 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 cup of smooth peanut butter. Next, we will prepare the creamy Yema base, then gently fold in the peanut butter. Finally, we will chill the mixture to achieve that perfect, irresistible consistency. Let's get started. To begin, carefully separate 6 egg yolks from their whites. In a saucepan, whisk these egg yolks together with 1 full can of condensed milk until thoroughly combined. Place the pan over low heat, stirring continuously. This constant stirring is crucial to prevent the mixture from sticking and burning, ensuring a smooth, thick Yema base. Cook until it reaches a custard-like consistency. Once your Yema base is cooked, it's essential to let it cool down completely to room temperature. This step prevents the peanut butter from separating. Now, add 1 cup of your favorite smooth peanut butter to the cooled Yema. Gently fold the 2 ingredients together using a spatula. Continue mixing until the peanut butter is fully incorporated, leaving no streaks and creating a uniform, creamy blend. With your Yema peanut butter thoroughly mixed, transfer it into an airtight container. This helps maintain its freshness and prevents it from absorbing other refrigerator odors. Place the container in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. Chilling allows the mixture to firm up and develop its full flavor. Enjoy your homemade Yema peanut butter as a spread or a sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.